What's going on, guys? Gary Yaman here, back at it again with a new video. Hope everybody's feeling safe and is fine. Let's begin right away with this, guys. Very exciting news. This Sigma 100-400 mils F5-6.3 DGDN OS. DN stands for these nuts, right? As Vu from Vu Films has mentioned. Alright, is this nice centered in the overhead cam? I think so, right? Alright. Very excited, guys. Gonna do some wildlife, guys. Wedding photography, move that on to next year, and let's focus this year on new things. Let's unbox this together. Ooh, ooh la la! Warranty papers, as always. Not going to read that. All right, it's quite a large box, right? Bum, 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 bum. Whoa. Oh my goodness. Whoa, look at this. Oh man. Ooh. Oh, it's actually more compact than I thought, but still. Man. That's ooh. Ooh. Whoa. Alright. Wow. Okay. Let's put everything aside first. Clean the desk a little bit. I don't like a messy desk. Messy desk. It sounded weird, right? Messy desk. Oh. And this little lens hood plastic thingy. Wow. Feels good, man. On the floor like this. Alright. Oh my goodness. Oh. Can you see that, guys? Wow. Sorry for making those weird noises. Feels really hefty, solid in the hands. Let's put the lens hood on it. Oh wow. Jesus Christ, man. Huge. Not going to travel with this guy. Okay. Focus switch. And the what is it, AFL, this is for the button, so autofocus button, or a customizable button, I guess. OS, so some kind of stabilization, I guess. I don't know. I really don't know. I didn't read anything about this lens. Just wanted to do some wildlife photography, and this one was around 1,000 euros, so that was pretty affordable. Then the other ones from Sony, that was like 2,000 euros, so I didn't want to spend that kind of money, but you know, I think I have to read the description of things. Where the seals, yes, yes, yes. Ooh la la, man. This is built like a tank, man. Oh, I can train my biceps with this. Okay. Extending this is like crazy, man. Look at this. Can you see this? Look how big it is, man. That's what she said. Alright, I'm gonna switch it to that one and see how far I have to put the camera back. 100 mils right now, 100, and it's all the way to the back. Man, can you even hear me? Woo! Wow, we're gonna test this out in the field. I think I'm gonna do some wildlife photography. This is really meant for that kind of thing. Wow, I'm excited, guys. Subscribe to the channel if you want to see the full review, the photos and everything. So I'll be seeing you then. Stay safe, stay healthy, and see you in the next one. Alright, bye bye. Good luck.